Okay, number 2 tayo. GUFSA. Again, ang una natin unahin ay hanapin yung mga given. And always, kapag nagsusulat ng given, nandiyan na si gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. Now, tingnan natin yung problem. As a stone is dropped from rest and falls for 3 seconds, how far does it fall? Okay, so may given tayo na initial velocity. Sabi, from rest. So that means, ang initial velocity natin ay 0 meters per second. Okay? Other than that, binigay rin yung time, which is 3 seconds. So, sulat na rin natin. 3 seconds. Now, how far does it fall? That is actually referring to height or vertical displacement, which, again, sabi ko kanina, yung D is X or Y, and in our case, it's Y. So, yeah. Yun yung unknown natin. dy. Okay? So, now, hanapin natin dito sa formula to kung ano yung may dy. But, yeah, let's just hanapin natin. Dito tayo sa second formula. Meron ba tayong VIT? Okay, actually, mali yung pagkasunod ko VIT. VIT. Malaking T kasi i-multiply si time kay initial velocity. Okay? So, yan. Meron ba tayong VI? Yes. Meron ba tayong time? Yes rin. And meron din tayong gravity. So, pwede si 2. Pero double check natin iba kung sakali. Dito, may distance rin dito. So, meron ba tayong gravity? Yes. Initial velocity? Yes rin. Pero walang final. So, hindi siya pwede. Same goes dito kasi meron ring final. So, hindi rin siya pwede. So, ito talaga tayo. Okay? So, solution. Ay, formula pala muna. D is equal to, ano yan? VIT plus 1/2 GT squared. Okay. So, wala na pala tayo ditong kailangan baguhin since D na yung naka-equals dito sa dulo. Hindi natin kailangan balik-balik na rin katulad kanina. So, we can just proceed forward sa solution. Now, substitute na natin yung even. Okay. D is equal to initial velocity, which is 0, times time, which is 3, nakalagay dyan, plus 1/2 of GT squared. So, plus, yung 1/2, i-rewrite natin as 0.5 para mas mapadali yung buhay natin. GT, so, gravity. And then, time squared. So, lalagyan natin sa calculator. And then, kung ano yung lumabas, yun yung sagot since wala nang square root dyan. Okay? Ay, yun. Ba't nandito ulit yung sagot? Anyway, 0 times 3, 0 siya. So, 0 plus 0.5 times 9.8. And then, times 3 times 3 since squared. So, ang sagot ay 44.1. Yun yung R natin. Displacement vertically. 44.1 meters. Okay. Proceed tayo sa